चल हो जा शुरू।
केसरिया से मन जोगी हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे।
हर पल मनाओ केसरी त्योहार। विमल, बोलो जुबान केसरी।
All right, viewers, let's move ahead to the top story we're tracking right now. We're getting in some news from Jammu and Kashmir in connection with the Riyasi terror attack. Investigation in the latest development. We are learning that top army commander is on the ground monitoring the observations. White Knight Corps commander, Lieutenant General Naveen Sachdev is present and he's reviewing the situation. Remember, viewers, that this is a dastardly, cowardly attack where a bus was ambushed by terrorists, and then that bus veered off the road and plunged into a deep gorge. That happened around 6:10 p.m. last evening, that is Sunday. Led to the lives of 9 people being lost. PM Modi has also taken stock of the situation. And let's go ahead and see this report by my colleague Gursimran, who is on the ground getting us all the details.
UC-16 Corps Lieutenant General Naveen Sachdeva is here on the ground monitoring the situation. He is taking the brief from the officials and is ensuring that every detail is thoroughly being checked. The Lieutenant General Sachdeva, along with the top officials of the Indian Army, he is on the ground in, speaking to the officials, monitoring the situation, what has happened and how this terror attack has taken place. The top brass of the Indian Army on the ground itself speaks of the volumes that how Indian Army is prepared and is taking this attack really seriously. They want to ensure that every detail is being briefed to the top headquarters, because yesterday we have seen that the Prime Minister Narendra Modi and also the top brass, including the Home Minister of the country, Amit Shah, spoke to the Lieutenant Governor, and LG was asked to reach Jammu at an earliest so as to identify and ensure the situation. And now the top brass of the Indian Army is here on the ground monitoring the situation.
Okay, let's go. Gursimran is joining us live right now. Gursimran, you have been on the ground getting us all the top details. And we know that a top army commander is on the ground and he is monitoring the observations, the situation on the ground. Take us through what is the latest, and the effort is on to catch those cowardly terrorists who have attacked a bus full of innocent pilgrims. Gursimran.
See, right now we are reporting from the ground zero. The place is 500 meters from this place, as the combing operations have started at that very place where the attack was carried out by the terrorists yesterday. The Lieutenant General Naveen Sachdeva, who happens to be the 16th Corps commander, he has carried out the on-ground assessment of the situation, because LG Manoj Sinha is to be briefed at noon today by the top brass of the Indian Army, Jammu and Kashmir Police, and also the sister intelligence agencies, and that's why everyone is here on the ground assessing the situation. This is something really serious for the agencies, because if this is a pattern, this is going to have a long-term repercussions. These attacks are not going to stop, because it won't be possible to guard each and every civilian vehicle that is plying on the road. That is the reality, and that is known to the top brass as well as to the ground level officers as well. Now the Riyasi police, the Rajouri police, the Udhampur police, everyone is trying their hard, but what the officer says that it is the time to hit the streets rather than strategizing on the notebooks and the mobile and tablets. It is a high time that the police should get onto the jungles, the army should get onto the jungles. It is going to be a head-on war with these terrorists, because the increasing number of Pakistani terrorists in the hinterland is a security concern, and this has to be accepted that infiltration has taken place in large numbers. The presence of the terrorists cannot take, the Pakistani terrorists inside the hinterland cannot happen without the infiltration of these terrorists into the Indian territory, and this is something that the agencies are now working, that how these terrorists manage to enter, because this is a new group of terrorists. This is not an old group of terrorists that is carrying out this attack.